Hey guys. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Home Fitness Fusion. My name is Declan and we're on day 8 of our challenge, how to get abs for men at home workout for beginners. How's everyone doing at home? Well, we're nearly there. We're on day 8, 6 more days to go. So let's just get into our warm up. And if you don't know what we're doing, just check the link out above. But let's start off now by doing some jumping jacks, jogging around the spot, and we'll go from there. Okay, now going to do our arm circles. Just easy movements just to loosen the shoulders and the chest area. Alrighty, now we're going to do our side to side twists. Just twist from one side to the other, just hold for a second, and then alternate to the other side. Squats, our legs shoulder width apart, feet pointing outward, and just imagine you're sitting into your favorite chair. Just aim for about 2 minutes. Okay, I'm going to reach for the sky and come back down slowly and touch the floor, and touch our toes. Hold for a second and come back up. Let's do a couple of these just to feel an overall stretch all over. Now we're going to do a chest stretch. Just bring the arm out in front of you, hold with the other hand around the elbow, and just bring it across your chest. Hold for a second and just alternate to the other end. just to help relieve any tension in the shoulder. Okay guys. Okay guys, first on our list is our crunches. So, you know, just lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Place your hands behind your head and lift your shoulders off the ground, engaging your core. Now remember to breathe out as you crunch up and in as you lower down. Same for 10 of these. Try and hold at the top if you can. Alrighty, well done guys. That's great. Now let's get into exercise number 2. Exercise number 2 is going to be our plank. So we're going to get into a press up position, keeping our body straight from head to toe. And you're going to hold this position and try and keep your core and your glutes tight. Let's aim for about a minute. Alrighty, just take a couple of seconds to catch our breath before we begin to exercise number 3. Here we go. Exercise number 3 we're going to do is our bicycle crunches. So we're going to lie down and we're going to get into like a tabletop position and bring your knee to the opposite. Bring your elbow, to the opposite knee. Hold for a second if you can, and then go to the other leg. Aim for a minute. Okay guys, that was that. Now our next exercise on our list is going to be our leg raises. So here we go, lying flat on the ground, extend your legs outward and bring them up as high as you can towards the ceiling and lower them back down to the floor. Try not to touch the floor if at all possible, but if you do, just take a sec and then start again. Aim for a minute for these. Okay, that was tough. How would you all do at home? Now let's take a second or two just to catch our breath and then we'll get into our Russian twists. So once again we're going to sit on the floor with your knees bent, crisscross them, and just slightly lean back and twist your torso to touch the floor beside you, alternating sides. Use the weight like I have to add a bit of stability and increase the intensity of the movement. Alright guys, that was tough, but we did it. Next on the list, we're going to move in again to the high plank position. You can bring one knee towards your chest and then switch, mimicking a running motion. Keep the core engaged and run as fast as you can. Legs along the floor. Place your hands under your buttocks and raise your legs slightly off the floor. Just alternate from one leg to the next, like a kicking, fluttering motion. Alright, here we go. We'll start off with arm circles. Just gentle, easy movements, just to loosen up the shoulder and the chest muscle. We're going to do our side to side stretch and then alternate to the other leg. Then one leg with the other leg straight. You just feel the stretch in the straight leg around the inner thigh. Okay, now we're going to a half stretch. Place your weight on the heel, keep that leg straight, and bend the other, and just lean into the stretch. You feel it all the way up the thigh. And then alternate the other leg. Okay. Now we're going to tip our toes, reach for the ceiling. You come back down slowly and touch your toes as close to your toes as possible. Hold for a second or two and come back up slowly just to feel a nice stretch. We'll do 2 or 3 of these. Okay. Now we're going to do an overhead stretch. So bring one arm across your shoulder over your head, and with the other arm slide it down your leg until you feel a nice stretch in your obliques. Hold it for a second, and then alternate to the other leg. Alright. Now we're going into a yoga pose. Putting both feet together. And push both knees outward and as close to the floor as possible. Hold that stretch. Bring your legs back up. And if you need to add, increase the intensity of it, you can always use your elbows to push out your knees. Or bring your legs in closer to your knee. Okay. Now we're just going to extend our legs out straight in front of us and bring your hands to your ankles and just pull yourself towards your feet. Just to feel a nice stretch in your legs and your lower back. Okay guys, that's our workout done for today. Hope you had a good workout and look forward to seeing you on the next video. Let's go for a walk or something like that to cool down. My name is Declan. This is Home Fitness Fusion. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching and bye for now. All the best. Take care. Bye bye.